Yo, what's up guys? I'm here repairing my Curry's Essential dishwasher. We had a leak from the bottom which stops it working, and you'll notice that because it beeps a lot, and I think the glasses icon flashes loads. It's actually quite simple to repair. There was two issues, but I'll show you down the bottom here. So first things first, unplug it. Make sure it's unplugged and leave it for an hour because there's a capacitor in there as well, which can hold a charge. So pop it on its back. I sellotape these up on here. Makes it easier when you tip it on its back. When you put it on its back, you'll find this black plastic cover. There's a screw in there, take that off. There's a bunch of these little clips which you can just get a flathead screwdriver and you can pop them like that, and then pop this whole thing. Oh, it's actually gone back in. Off, there you go. That all comes off like that. You'll see this in here. This here is the float switch, which when it fills up with water turns the whole thing off. So you just simply pull that out of there. That will come out. Just leave that dangling. Make sure it goes back in the right way up. Otherwise it won't work. So then we're going to take that away. Now this here, I'll show you where my leaks were. I had a leak from an O-ring in here in the waste pump. And this is the circulating pump. This hose was gone as well. So this hose, I bought all these replacement parts from, I think they were called E-Spares or something. They were pretty good. There's also an O-ring in here which was leaking. So this O-ring is a 55mm O-ring, internal diameter. I think it's 60mm external. And you simply get something as a clip this side and a clip that side. They need just very slightly gently prising apart, and then this bit here will slide up, leaving that. There's a little clip under here that you have to push up, and then this whole bit will twist off, and you'll see that O-ring which needs replacing. Again, reverse to put it back in, pop it on, twist it back, then pop this bit back down, slide it back down over. That was really easy. This one, pretty self-explanatory. This hose was perished. Make sure the arrow is going that way, back to the pump. So when you take that off, just make sure you get suitable, suitable Jubilee clips to put it back on. That was very easy. And line up, you'll notice little notches that line up with these little plastic bits there and there. Tighten that up nicely. This O-ring, again the same. You got to take this off. So you do this at the same time. You also undo this here, and that can leak as well in there. So you take all that off, and then there's a little clip here which needs to come up, a little clip here which needs to come up, and that whole thing will twist like that, and you'll see an O-ring. Just make sure there's no water in here so it doesn't spill down onto that, or to the whole washing machine the other way up, so any water spills that way, doesn't get this motor wet. And then you'll see the big O-ring. That's 100mm, I think, O-ring. I will put it down in the comments below how big it is. And that's a very simple installation as well. Again, it goes back on. You'll see this here. Lock, unlock. Fairly self-explanatory which way you twist it. Didn't need to undo any of this to get it off. It's just taking this off, taking that off. Undo that, put it back on. Easy peasy. And there are obviously refitting is all the reverse of that. But yeah, I had a leak from basically everything. All the parts together there cost me about 25 quid, I think, something like that. And obviously it was out of warranty, or I wouldn't have bothered. But I'd have just rung them. But there you go, quite easy. Yeah, give it a go. Forgot to say, put some towels down under it when you tip it on its back, because no matter how well you pump it out, usually what I do is turn the water off, and then I'll start a cycle which makes it pump it all out, but there'll still be water in it. So when you tip it on its back, it will still dump some water out. So yeah, you want to stick some towels down or take it outside to do this. Enjoy.